This is question 4, Algebra 1 Subpart 1 practice test. And question 4 states, which pair best represents a causation relationship? Now, causation can be a tough one, so I want to refresh your memory on what exactly causation is. Causation does not imply correlation. Causation means that one thing will cause the other. So, for example, if you exercise, the calories burned per minute increases. There is correlation because as you exercise, it increases the calories burned. Now, causation exists because the exercise causes the calories to be burned. Example 2 states, the number of firemen fighting a fire increases as the size of the fire increases. Now, this is a tough one. Although there is a positive correlation, causation does not exist because bringing more firemen will not cause the size of the fire to increase. So as we approach number 4, it states a child's age and shoe size. Now, as I think about that, I do think that there is a correlation. The number of ice cream cones sold and the amount of sunscreen sold. Now with this one, you might think a hot sunny day you would want ice cream and you would get some sunscreen being sold, but this one really doesn't have any relationship, so you could eliminate this one pretty quick. C states the temperature at a football game and the number of hot drinks sold. So once again, I'm thinking if it's cold, the hot drinks will be high, and if it's warm, we're probably not going to sell hot chocolate. And then D, so we're going to leave C there. And D says the number of people attending a ball game and how long that ball game takes. Well, once again, that really doesn't make sense. A ball game is going to be ever how long it is. It doesn't matter how many people are there. So we can cross out D as well. So that leads us to A and C. I do think we have correlation with both of them, but the question is, does it cause the other? So that's what you got to think about. Will this cause each of this to happen? So, does a child's age cause the shoe size? Does the temperature at a football game cause the number of hot drinks sold? So you have to pick the best one. So let's first look at the children and the shoe size. Like I said, I do think we have correlation. So let's take a 5-year-old and they're older. Let's say that 5-year-old has a size 6, but a 5-year-old could also be a size 5, or a 5-year-old could have a size 7. So, but they're going to be in the same area, but if I'm buying a birthday present for a 5-year-old, I can't just say, oh, the 5-year-old automatically wears this size. So here it's correlation, but is that child's age causing how big their shoe would be? There's other factors that go into that. How tall are their parents? Are they a young 5 or are they an old 5? So I'm thinking we can almost eliminate this one. We do have correlation as the child grows, but is it causing the shoe size? Now, the football game one, okay, if it is 20 degrees, more than likely we're selling a lot of drinks, a lot of hot drinks, so we would have a lot of dots right here. If it's 80 degrees, we're probably not selling a lot of hot chocolate. So now think of it, yeah, we have correlation. As the temperature increases, the number of hot drinks decrease. So is the temperature in fact causing the number of hot drinks sold? I do believe yes. So we have correlation for both, but which one's the best causation? I do think we would have to go with C on that one.